Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So if you were to say, Clay, look, summarize this chart for me quickly, I would say pump and dump on thin ice. Now, I don't mean pump and dump in the sense of this company is being run out of some bunker, in a foreign country. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely on how the price acted today. And my definition of a pump and dump is that a price makes a really nice move, and then within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower. So let's first kind of start off with that first part of where did this all even start? And for me, it started when it broke out of this channel that had been stuck below right here at the, with the top of the channel being $1.20. So you can see right here several times, try to break above it, couldn't quite do it. And that was just essentially, like I said, the top of the channel and what I would consider the starting point, because that is where, in technical jargon, the breakout started. So let's go through the definition here. As just noted, the breakout point and where it started right here at $1.20. And then the price went all the way up there. I'm hoping we can all agree, that was a very nice move. Second part of the definition, within a relatively short amount of time. Well, considering this all happened in the same day, once again, I'm hoping we can agree, okay, that was a short amount of time. And then the final part, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases lower. Now, this is also where the thin ice point comes into play, because to be fair to the bulls, something like this could happen, where the price could fall down, and we're going to call our thin ice point at $1.20, walk along the thin ice, and then start to work their way back upwards. And again, in the spirit of being fair, what would that give you from a big picture perspective? So this definitely assumes that you care about more so a big picture of things, but that would give you a set of lows right there. The other set of lows would be right there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now the bulls are starting to make some progress in the big picture perspective. However, if the price comes down to this $1.20 mark, walks along thin ice, breaks to the downside and starts sinking, what is that doing to the price at that point in time? It's literally putting the price right back into that range where it literally started. And again, not to insult your intelligence, but going back, not exactly a sign of true power or anything like that. So sure, there is still some hope left for the overall chart, but definitely a big pullback, and the bulls are definitely flirting with some thin ice. So let's see if the bulls can build a higher base, or if the price is getting ready to crack below that thin ice and go right back to where it all began. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.